One, I'm so glad that Justin Bieber has used his star power and talked about his disease. It's Ramsay Hunt syndrome, which causes paralysis of face, and it's basically a nerve-related disease. And I'm so glad that he has instead of being quiet, he's using his status to create awareness about this disease. Back in 2014, I suffered what is called the Bell's palsy. So, if you look at my face closely, there is asymmetry. This face is more droopy, this side is more droopy, and this is more lifted. This is the reason that I wear scarf and bandana. It's more visible when I take it off, and it just affected not just my face but my entire right side. So my entire right side is droopy from my buttocks to my face to my eye. I had to take extensive physiotherapy, electrical stimulation to have a little bit of symmetry. Still, it's asymmetrical. I have not opted for any cosmetic procedure. For 7 years, I have suffered with sarcoidosis, and this is a rare disease. I did not know about it. Now, doctors are saying that all this atrophy and all this muscle wasting, and I have often talked about it, is because of neurosarcoidosis, that my disease has attacked my nerves and my brains, and I will be undergoing a lot of MRIs and spinal tap and everything in the coming days because I've been very sick and losing muscle and strength. A lot of us who talk about illness don't mean to be whiny, and a lot of people say stop being negative and don't talk about diseases. I think this is wrong. Those of us who talk about illness don't mean to spread negativity. We are doing it to create awareness, because awareness means more research go into that disease. The disease gets more visibility, it gets more funding, and that means better drugs. And better drugs means somebody like me can have a better quality of life. And there are so many of us. And I'm so glad that Justin Bieber has not shied away from it, because it's not negativity, it's creating awareness. So please take care of your health. And if you have any illness, don't feel shy or, that you don't need to talk about it, that you need to hide it and keep it inside. Just remember that when you talk about it, you are empowering someone and you are giving visibility to that disease. And by disease, having a disease does not define you and does not make you a negative person. Talking about it requires courage. So be brave, own your disease, talk about it, and if you're a healthy person, then please take this awareness forward. Share it with others. Empower yourself and empower others around you. Educate yourself, because there are so many of us whose life depend on good drugs and better treatment, because even in medical community doctors are not aware about diseases, especially in a country like Pakistan. So it's very important. Talk about it and take care of yourself. And all power to Justin Bieber. Two thumbs up.